Hi guys, my name is Brad Trump and this is my brother Derek. He's visiting me from Virginia, here in lovely New York City. And this is our cover of Piece by Piece by Kelly Clarkson. And all I remember is your laugh. Walking toward the airport, leaving us all your past. I traveled 1,500 miles to see you. Begged you to want me, but you didn't want to. Piece by piece, you collected me out of the ground where you abandoned things, and piece by piece, you filled the holes that you burned in me. At 6 years old, no, he never walks away, he never asks for money, he takes care of me, he loves me. Piece by piece, he restored my